scrolling through social media, reading various magazines, browsing on internet expose you to endless information about nutrition and health, and most of which is wrong. Hi, I'm dietitian Vidhi Chawla, founder of Physico Diet and Skin Clinic. Today I am here to burst few myths regarding nutrition and health. First, fat-free products are a healthy alternatives. If you go to a grocery store and see around, you see a variety of products labeled fat-free, low-fat, diet, light, and they seem tempting for the people who are trying to lose weight, but they are unhealthy options. Research has shown that products labeled diet, fat-free, low-fat have more sugar and salt as compared to the regular products. Second, you have to be skinny to be healthy. See, obesity is linked with many diseases like type 2 diabetes, hormonal imbalance, depression, heart diseases. But to reduce them, it is not important to be skinny. A healthy, balanced diet and a lifestyle change can help you to ward off these diseases. And yeah, ideal body weight category is important, but not underweight or skinny. Third, tracking your calories and macros is necessary for losing weight. It is not at all necessary. Research has shown that calories are differently digested, absorbed and assimilated in everyone's body. So calorie counting is not necessary. It's all about a portion size and what meal are you eating. Is it empty calorie or nutritional balance? A meal having the same calorie can have different nutrition profile. So it is important to check the nutrients a particular meal have. Fourth, carbs make you gain. It is one of the biggest myths I see around in people avoiding carbohydrates. But do you know, carbohydrates should be 60% of your diet. Carbohydrates are a main source of energy. Carbohydrates are not at all your enemy. It's all about choosing the right carbohydrate for yourself. Also, I want to mention a low carbohydrate diet leads to many hormonal issues and other issues in your body. So don't make your diet a low carbohydrate diet for losing weight. Rather choose the right carbohydrate for yourself. Fifth, egg yolks are bad. We always hear eggs are a complete protein and it should be included in a diet. But people avoid egg yolk because of its fat content. But I want to tell you, the fat in the egg yolk is a good fat. So you can surely include egg yolk in your diet and include whole egg in your diet. But I want to mention it here, overdoing or overconsumption of a good food can also lead to issues. So don't overdo it, don't overconsume it. I hope I'm able to educate you and burst the few myths around you about nutrition and health.